Hey guys, it's Cody from IT, and Tech Tip Tuesday is back. In the months of December and January, we're going to be talking about all of the different skills that you'll need to access Microsoft Office with a screen reader. This week, we're talking about the ribbon. What is it, and how to use it?
The ribbon is made up of multiple tabs. Each tab has functions that are related to each other. To jump up to the ribbon, press the Alt key on your keyboard. Let's see what it says.
Ribbon tabs tab control expanded. Home tab selected Alt, H2 of 12.
Notice how the screen reader tells me that I'm in the ribbon, what tab I'm in, and also it gives me a key command. Here in the Home tab, notice how it says Ribbon, Home tab selected, Alt plus H. In this case, it's saying that if I wanted to jump right to the Home tab, I can press Alt plus H instead of pressing Alt and then moving to the Home tab. Pretty cool, huh? To navigate between different tabs, I'll use my right or left arrow keys, just like this.
Insert tab selected Alt, Draw tab selected Alt, J4 of 12. Design tab selected Alt, G5 of 12. Draw tab selected, Insert tab, Home tab selected Alt, H2 of 12.
Once I've found a tab that I'd like to explore, I can move through the functions in that tab with the Tab key.
Can't repeat button unavailable. Clipboard grouping, font size edit Alt, H.
Now, try jumping up to the ribbon yourself and navigating through each tab. Depending on your level of comfort, you can choose one of the practice activities listed in the description. Now, I want to remind you that some of these Tech Tip Tuesday videos, like this one, are for intermediate and advanced learners who are already comfortable with manipulating text. If you're still learning those basic skills like reading text, navigating documents with headings, or placing your cursor, take a look at our screen reader curriculum. Now, our new course in that curriculum, called Working with Text, teaches you all of the skills that you need in order to read, write, and edit text. It includes over 80 instructional videos, a pre and a post test, and tons of practice activities to guide you along. If you're interested, click the link in the description below. If you're not ready to take that step yet, that's totally fine, but we will see you next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.